Hey, hey,
See, that's better, right? Yeah. To have the sink is yesterday, I was washing the dishes and I noticed put them in the sink. And now I know why system is like the same. Because he's always getting my clean dishes in the sink first. And I've always like been like, remind me to put them there.
hey.
And I know, but I've been doing this for a long time, like putting my clean dishes there. I can't change now. Yeah.
What
And
happens to
my